So when we pop it in here, it starts at 7, and if it goes higher than 7, it's alkaline, and if it goes lower than 7, it's acid. And ideally for tomatoes, we're probably looking at 6 to 7 pH. Now, most of these bags went off scale, and this only measures down till 3.5, and that's extremely acidic. Extremely acidic. And I'm lower than that. So right, let's check the acidity on these bags before we go any further. Let me just switch this on. So let's try this first bag. Six, 5, 4.5, 4, sitting at 4. Now it's gone to low. Low is less than 3.5. That's the lowest it measures. Won't measure any lower than that. So that bag is extremely acidic. It's gone to 4. I mean, the fact that it's hunting shows you that it's working, that it is measuring something. So should we say that bag's got an acidity of 4? Yeah, let's do the next one. Pull in the probe. Wow, wow, did you catch that? Did you catch that? Right off scale. So that's lower than 3.5 acidity. Let's move to the back. That's lower than 3.5 acidity. Last one. Straight off scale. That's lower than 3.5 acidity. Right. How long is this going to take for this mix to become less acidic? I've no idea. How much lime wash are you going to add? I've no idea. How often are you going to do this? I've no idea. I just don't know. I've never done it before. I don't know how long this will take. I don't even know if it'll work. But because lots of subscribers and viewers have suggested it, and because I had some lime, yeah, we're giving it a go. We're giving it a go. So I think at the outset I'll probably do this maybe once or twice a week for a number of weeks. I don't know how many, but I'll keep checking it regularly, and we'll see if we can move that acidity a bit closer to the 6/7 that I'm trying to achieve, rather than the off scale less than 3.5 that it is today. That's it. First dose of lime wash administered. Let's see how that goes. Well, it's a really wet, windy day here at Homegrown Veg. I've just popped in the greenhouse to check my onions because I brought them in yesterday. It was a lovely sunny day yesterday. It was summer. Today it's winter. Unbelievable. And it's only 2 or 3 days since I put these bags of acidic soil mix on this bench and give them a dose of lime wash. And I think I've given them 1 more dose since. Yeah, I have. So I've had 2 doses of lime wash, and I'm fairly sure it's less than a week since I've done this, and I'm not confident that anything will have changed, but because I'm in here, I'm going to stick the probe in. Let's stick the probe in and see what we've got. Remember this bag, I think it was, what was it? Was it 4? It had a pH of 4. Well, I'm liking the look of that. It's definitely going in the right direction, isn't it? It's definitely going in the right direction. Let's try this next one. This one might be a bit tougher. Wasn't this bag was, I think, was under 3.5. Oh. Well, that one's definitely going in the right direction. So it looks as though this lime wash is working. Right, let's go in back. This one was off scale, this one was under 3.5. That's moving towards that neutral pH, isn't it? Is that 4.5? Another one going in the right direction. Oh, we like the look of this. This seems to be working. Right, last bag. And again, this one was off scale. It was under 3.5. Yeah, that one's still off scale. So we've moved 3 out of 4. Oh, hold on. No, it's hunting. No, it isn't off scale. I was a bit premature. That's now got a pH of 4. Now I was happy that 3 had moved and 1 hadn't, but they've all moved. They've all moved towards that neutral 7. And I'm trying to move them to between 6 and 7. 4.5. So they're all heading in the right direction.